Hey you guys, it's your girl Leandria back with another YouTube video. I did a natural look and a low-key lash review because I didn't expect these lashes to be like slaying like this. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for that and let me know what you think in the comments below. So I'm just gonna speed past my foundation routine. Really just wanted to get to the most important part of the video. Masquerade setting powder. Okay, so I'm about to work on these brows. I just wanted to give y'all a little update because I know y'all probably like, what the hell is she doing? But I decided to just grow them out like however they gonna grow, because I used to wax them like faithfully every 3 weeks, and I'm like, you don't even have nothing there. So I used to wax my brows faithfully every 3 weeks, and I'm just like, why? Like, you don't even have nothing there. Like, what are you waxing? So I'm just letting them grow out, and I'm just appreciating what's growing, because I took them for granted a couple years ago when they were growing in long and strong. Now they not so much, you know. So I'm gonna show you just you know, creating my desired brow, and we just gonna conceal the rest basically, because you know that's looking a little rough. But like, I really don't want to wax anymore, and I don't like plucking, so I really just need to keep what's growing, you know. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna use Zula in my Juvia's Place palette. So I'm just going to start by putting that as my transitional shade. So I did my other eye off camera and I added some eyeliner. So this is my favorite part. Like, I found some new lashes. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. Lushy Ming Zhu. And oh my god, let me know if you can see that. And this is in the style Echo Miami. They are 25 millimeters long. Let's see how they turn out. These are the longest lashes that I've ever worn. So I'm about to pop these babies on right quick. Oh my god, they're so bomb. Like, they're so beautiful. So just give me a sec. The little tabs off right there. And then I'm just gonna measure my eye really quick. I know my eyes are tiny as hell, so hold on, bear with your girl. Let's see. Dang, I'm probably gonna have to cut off a lot. So let's see, I'm just gonna So I just cut off a little piece, and then I'm just gonna make I'm gonna use my little thing here to make sure that they get on good. Good. So let's see. Girl. So now I'm just cutting the other one right quick. Okay, so I got them on, y'all. I did have to put some extra glue on for sure, because these boys is like, they're heavy. And I know I need to cut them a little bit more, but I'll do that later. I'm just having fun, you know, but these are definitely a lash that I would wear every day, because they slaying, like, hello. So I'm gonna finish my face, and then, you know, so y'all can see the final look. But I love them. Oh my god, like, these are my new go-to lashes. Like, don't say they're too dramatic, because that's what I'm here for, is to be dramatic. So oh my god, I love them though. Like, shout out to her. I will put the link below, because oh my god, oh bitch. I love them. And this was gonna really like set the look off, is when we add some highlighter, because it just makes everything okay again, you know? Gonna do my favorite nude lipstick. Let me know if you are here for it in the comments. Okay, girl, I didn't know I was finna slay like this. Like, I had no idea. Like, these are my new favorite lashes, okay, in the style Echo Miami. So I'm gonna put the information in the comments below. Please check her out. Like, her lashes are the bomb. I mean, like, your girl finna fly away and shit, okay? Do you see? We finna take off in some more, babe. You see that? Okay, y'all, so that really completes the look. I love these lashes. I'm gonna put the link below where you can get them. It says on the website you can wear it up to 40 times. So with that being said, I'm gonna wear these every day. They're long as heck, but they're super lightweight, so like they don't feel heavy on me. And I do have hooded eyes, so I figured, like, because they're longer, like, they'll kind of like bring my eyes out more, if that makes sense. And my eyes don't really look way down either. So yeah, like, I love these lashes. They're long, they're super long, but like, they are like the fucking bomb. These are Echo Miami. So go ahead and comment below. Let me know if you like them. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll put pictures on the end. Thank you so much for watching. I know I need to cut them a little bit more, but I will eventually. I'm just playing. I'm having fun. They still look bomb, so I'm gonna wear them like this for a while and then just slowly but surely like cut more as I go because I like the fluffy look. I like that, you know. So